Welcome to Denmark, a land of breathtaking natural beauty, charming villages, and rich history. Today, we embark on a serene journey through the most picturesque landscapes and hidden gems of this Nordic wonder. From its rolling countryside to its pristine coastlines, Denmark invites us to slow down and embrace its tranquility. Join us on this cinematic exploration of Denmark's most beautiful natural places and villages. We begin our journey in Bjerge National Park, a haven of undulating hills, ancient oak forests, and heather-covered heathlands. Located in eastern Jutland, this breathtaking landscape is shaped by the last ice age. As the morning mist lifts, the golden light spills over the rolling terrain, revealing a mosaic of colors. Here, wild deer roam freely, and birdsong fills the air. The park offers some of Denmark's best hiking trails, leading to breathtaking viewpoints where the landscape stretches endlessly before you. Bjerge is a perfect place to reconnect with nature and experience Denmark's countryside in its purest form. Next, we travel to Denmark's northernmost town, Skagen, where the North Sea and the Baltic Sea meet in a mesmerizing dance of waves. This phenomenon, known as Grenen, is a sight to behold. Two bodies of water colliding yet never merging. Skagen is also home to charming yellow houses with red-tiled roofs, an iconic site that has inspired painters and poets for centuries. As you walk along the sandy shores, the salty breeze carries the whispers of fishermen who once sailed these waters. A visit to Skagen is a journey into Denmark's maritime soul, where nature and history blend seamlessly. Stepping into the heart of Denmark, we arrive at Funen, often referred to as the fairy tale island. It was here that Hans Christian Andersen drew inspiration for his timeless stories. Funen is dotted with charming villages, half-timbered houses, and rolling farmlands, creating a dreamlike atmosphere. The village of Fåborg, with its cobbled streets and colorful houses, transports visitors to a bygone era. The island is also home to Råbjerg Castle, one of Europe's best preserved Renaissance water castles, surrounded by beautiful gardens and tranquil lakes. Whether you're exploring its quaint harbors or cycling through the countryside, Funen captures the essence of Danish charm. Nature takes center stage once more as we venture into Råbjerg Mile, Denmark's largest migrating sand dune. This desert-like landscape in northern Jutland moves up to 15 meters each year, slowly engulfing everything in its path. Walking through these golden dunes feels like stepping into another world. The silence is profound, broken only by the whisper of the wind. As the sun sets, the sand glows in hues of orange and pink, painting an unforgettable picture of Denmark's raw and untamed beauty. Our journey takes us to Ærø, a small island in the South Funen archipelago known for its romantic atmosphere and idyllic villages. The town of Ærøskobing, often called Denmark's fairy tale town, is a step back in time with its perfectly preserved 18th century houses and flower-filled streets. Bicycling is the best way to explore this tranquil island, leading you to rugged cliffs, hidden beaches, and charming harbors. Ærø's peaceful ambiance and stunning coastal scenery make it a perfect retreat for those seeking solace and inspiration. Finally, we arrive at Stevns Klint, a dramatic white chalk cliff that towers over the Baltic Sea. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is not just a geological marvel. It holds a piece of Earth's history, containing evidence of the asteroid impact that led to the extinction of the dinosaurs. Standing at the edge of the cliff, the vastness of the sea stretches before you, reminding us of nature's incredible power and beauty. The serene atmosphere and breathtaking views make Stevns Klint a must-visit destination for nature lovers and history enthusiasts alike. As the sun sets over Denmark's coastal horizons, our journey comes to an end. From rolling hills to ancient castles, from golden dunes to serene islands, Denmark's beauty is boundless and unforgettable. We hope this cinematic journey has transported you to the heart of Denmark's most beautiful landscapes and villages. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Map for more breathtaking travel experiences. Until next time, may your journeys be filled with wonder and tranquility.